In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive anonymous message on Instagram story using NGL app. So NGL is the internet lingo for not gonna lie. This app allows users to share their honest feelings and opinions anonymously with someone who has embedded the app link in their story or in their bio. So just go ahead and upload NGL on your Play Store. It should look like this. So once you're done installing that one, just tap on open. In here, just tap get started. In here, you'll be needing to enter your Instagram username. Then tap done. On this page at the top, you can randomize the question, or you can just leave the standard one where it says send me an anonymous message. Then just go ahead and copy the link and then tap share at the bottom. So in here, NGL app will then show you how to share this to your Instagram story, so read it carefully. So these are the 4 steps on how to add the link to your story. So once done, tap on share on Instagram. Tap on the sticker icon at the top and search for the link sticker. And then paste your copied link and press done. Then just move the link on the middle and post it on your Instagram story. And that's it. When your followers sees your Instagram stories, they can tap on the link and send you an anonymous message. So that's how to receive anonymous message on Instagram story using NGL app. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.